Picture this, a silent black box sitting under your TV, glowing softly, waiting to unleash something so advanced that it could quietly transform your living room into the smartest space in your entire house. Yes, I'm talking about the upcoming Apple TV 4K 2025 edition, a device that's already creating waves in the tech world long before Apple has even said a word about it. And trust me, the rumors, leaks, and insider whispers around this small device are nothing short of fascinating. Because what's coming next might just redefine the way you experience entertainment, gaming, and even daily life inside your home. Now let's imagine this. A streaming device so powerful it's rumored to carry the same A17 Pro chip that powers the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which means the kind of performance that used to be limited to flagship smartphones or high-end tablets could soon be sitting in your entertainment setup, waiting to deliver lightning-fast visuals, ultra-smooth gaming, and next-level intelligence. Think about that for a moment. The A17 Pro chip inside a TV box. That's not just overkill. That's Apple telling the world that television is no longer just about watching shows, it's about living inside them. This new chip could power on-device Apple Intelligence, Apple's own take on integrated AI, meaning your Apple TV might soon understand your mood, predict your choices, and adjust your environment before you even grab the remote. Imagine this. You come home after a long day, sit on your couch and simply say, "Hey Siri, I need to relax." And the lights dim to a warm glow. Your favorite chill playlist starts softly in the background. And the Apple TV automatically queues up the next episode of your comfort series, all without you touching a single button. That's not sci-fi anymore. That's Apple's rumored plan for the next-gen Apple TV 4K. According to insiders, Apple is preparing a complete redesign of how the device interacts with your other Apple products, especially HomeKit and Vision Pro. This isn't just a streaming device anymore. It's the beating heart of Apple's home ecosystem. The leaks point toward Wi-Fi 7 connectivity, which will make streaming lag-free even in 8K, and when you combine that with Dolby Vision 2, a next-level HDR format that could make even dark scenes pop with cinematic clarity, you start to realize this isn't just an upgrade, it's a reinvention of what home entertainment looks like. But here's where it gets wild. There are reports that Apple is experimenting with AI-driven upscaling, meaning that even your old 1080p content could be enhanced in real time to look almost native 4K, powered by the neural engine inside the A17 Pro chip. Imagine watching classic movies or YouTube videos from a decade ago and seeing them come alive with new color, depth, and detail that feels unreal. And while all this sounds futuristic, Apple being Apple, they're keeping the external design minimal. That sleek, matte black square with subtle edges, fanless and whisper quiet, proving once again that the most powerful technology doesn't need to shout to be heard. Rumors also suggest that this time Apple might introduce a new Siri remote with haptic feedback, improved gesture control, and maybe even a Find My feature. Because let's be honest, we've all lost that tiny remote at least once. But let's talk about something bigger. The reason Apple is investing so much power into a simple TV box. The truth is, Apple sees your living room as the final frontier. They've conquered your pocket with the iPhone, your wrist with the Apple Watch, your ears with the AirPods, and your workspace with the Mac. But the living room, that's where families connect. That's where entertainment lives, and that's where Apple wants to build its next empire. The Apple TV 4K 2025 might act as the central hub for everything, from smart home devices to immersive content that interacts with your Vision Pro headset. Think about watching a movie on your TV and seamlessly transitioning it into a full 3D experience on the Vision Pro without losing a frame. That's the kind of integration Apple is rumored to be building, bridging the gap between physical and digital worlds. And here's another exciting rumor. Apple is developing something called adaptive spatial audio, where the Apple TV will analyze your room's acoustics, using HomePod or even iPhone microphones, and then tune the sound perfectly for your environment, automatically adjusting depth, clarity, and echo balance. So whether you're watching a quiet drama or an explosive action film, every sound will feel precisely placed in your space. Combine that with an ecosystem that includes HomePod Mini 2 and AirPods Pro 3, and your living room could sound like a high-end theater. The upcoming tvOS update is also rumored to integrate Apple Intelligence, bringing smarter recommendations that go beyond what's trending. It will analyze your habits, your mood, and even the time of day to suggest what fits your vibe. Morning news, evening comfort movies, weekend gaming sessions, all personalized just for you. Apple doesn't just want you to watch. They want your TV to think with you, Now let's touch the gaming side because this is where things could explode. The A17 Pro chip already runs console-quality titles on iPhone, so imagine that same performance on your big screen, with Bluetooth controller support and zero lag thanks to Wi-Fi 7. That could position Apple TV as a silent rival to PlayStation and Xbox, a small, quiet console that's also your entertainment hub. Developers are already experimenting with bringing advanced 3D titles to Apple Arcade, optimized for the next Apple TV hardware, meaning you could go from streaming your favorite series to playing a high-end game without switching devices. And guess what? All of it's synced across your Apple ID, iCloud, and Game Center. But Apple isn't stopping at games. There's a strong chance that the 2025 Apple TV could feature deeper AI features for real-world interaction, real-time subtitles generated locally, instant voice translations, and even health or fitness integration with Apple Watch data on your TV screen. That means guided workouts, progress tracking, or even health notifications projected on your TV as part of your morning routine. And yet, with all these mind-blowing rumors, Apple is expected to keep the price surprisingly reasonable, possibly under $150, to attract not just loyal Apple users, but also first-time buyers. Because once you bring one Apple product home, the ecosystem pulls you in deeper, and that's Apple's long game, to make your TV the gateway to their entire universe. Industry analysts are calling this upcoming model a stealth revolution. Not flashy, but transformative, a device that will quietly redefine the core of your digital lifestyle. Now imagine the potential synergy with Apple Vision Pro. You could start watching a show on your TV, put on the headset, and continue it in immersive 3D space with spatial audio surrounding you. Or maybe share content from your iPhone to your TV through AirPlay 3 with zero delay, while your Apple Watch detects your heart rate spike during a thriller and adjusts ambient lighting to match your emotions. That's not fantasy. That's Apple's rumored roadmap, merging human emotion with machine intelligence.
And the beauty of it all?
It still feels simple. No wires, no clutter, no complexity. Just one small device that orchestrates it all in perfect harmony. Apple's philosophy has always been about elegance through simplicity, and this next Apple TV could be the most profound example yet. Tech insiders even claim that Apple is secretly testing integration between Apple Intelligence and Apple TV Plus content. Imagine AI-generated episode summaries, smart recap videos that update dynamically, or even adaptive trailers that change based on what kind of shows you watch. It's personalization taken to the next level. There's even talk of Apple using this upgrade to expand its presence in sports broadcasting, with a rumored Sports Hub experience that gives live AI commentary, interactive stats, and real-time analysis while you're watching a game. If that happens, the Apple TV could become the most interactive entertainment hub on the planet. And just when you think it can't get any more impressive, insiders hint that Apple might debut new ambient features, like turning your TV into a smart display when idle, showing dynamic wallpapers, calendar info, weather animations, and personalized AI art based on your style. Your TV wouldn't just turn off, it would stay alive, evolving with you. All these rumors add up to one clear message. Apple isn't trying to win the streaming device war. It's trying to redefine what a smart home means. With the Apple TV 4K 2025, your entertainment, communication, and environment could merge into one seamless experience. Every leak, every whisper, and every insider report points to a product that's not just about watching. It's about connecting. And when it finally launches, whether it's this fall or early 2026, one thing's for sure, Apple's going to make us fall in love with our living rooms again. The Apple TV 4K 2025 isn't just an upgrade. It's the dawn of an intelligent home revolution. And when it turns on for the first time, it won't just light up your screen. It will light up the future of how we live,